All right, we are up to Google Classroom tip number 15, and this is a wonderful tip. So Google Classroom tip number 15 is utilizing Google Forms for quizzes. So we've had a look at how we can use docs and slides and things like this, but we can actually create self-grading quizzes in Google Classroom using Google Forms. How cool is that? So I'm going to head over to our create button because that's where the magic starts. And we've got a couple of options here. We do have our quiz assignment just here, and that is the one that we're going to select right now, okay? So again, very similar to our assignments, but this time, I don't know whether you have seen it, but we have a blank quiz that has been created just here. And this is where we are going to create our quiz in Google Forms for our students to use. Now, I have tried that this year and it is fantastic and it is so simple. So if we want to edit this, we literally click on the blank quiz link just here. It takes us to our blank quiz. We complete the quiz. All right, we add all of the different elements, our answer keys. We do whatever we need to do. We go and edit and change our responses and settings and things like that so that our students are able to use this as soon as they jump in to their classroom. Again, we can assign this to particular students if we would like to maybe have a look at some differentiation. All right, we can decide whether it's worth a particular grade. We can have a due date. We can pop this in a topic. So I haven't showed this one to you yet. So another bonus Google Classroom tip. We can actually put all of these materials, assignments, quizzes, questions into a topic. So I might pop this one into module 3. So now if I was to head up here, you will see that it has now been placed into module 3. So I have actually placed that into that particular topic. You can also pop drafts into your particular topics, but we can also move these just like we could rearrange. So it's really easy to move and it's really easy to pop our particular activities and our drafts straight into our topics in our classwork stream. Okay, so that is the 15th really amazing way that you could use Google Classroom.